Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and fellow participants, today I will lead the discuss a crucial topic that holds immense significance in today's society: the role of mother in supervising their children at home. While many argue that mothers should actively engage in the life of their children and closely monitor their activities, it is essential to understand that the responsibilities extend beyond national boundaries. In this debate, I will lead compelling argument in favor of mothers spending time at home and closely supervising their children, emphasizing the importance of this role using the English language. At this time, we have three argumenters, namely Septa, Joseph, and Rafi. They will use their respective opinions. For Septa brother, I invite you to express your opinion.
Mothers who stay at home can actively participate in their children's holistic development. They can focus on fostering their children's physical, cognitive, and social growth by engaging in educational and recreational activities. From guiding their children through early learning experience to facilitating social interaction with peers, mothers can provide a well-rounded development that is tailored to their children's specific needs. This hands-on approach ensures that children receive the attention and support required to thrive in all aspects of life.
So next, for Joseph brother, I invite you to express your opinion.
Mothers play a crucial role in balancing strong emotional bond with their children. By staying at home, they have the opportunity to provide unconditional love, care, and support to their children on a daily basis. This contains passion, creates a secure environment where children feel safe, fostering a deep sense of trust and emotional stability. The bonding and nurturing that occur when mothers stay at home lay the foundation for healthy relationships and emotional well-being throughout their children's lives.
Now, for Rafi brother, I invite you to express your opinion.
Mothers have a significant influence on the value and the moral that shape their children's character. When they stay at home, they can actively impart essential life lessons such as empathy, integrity, and compassion. By being present in their children's lives, mothers can model this value through their own action and teach their children to navigate ethical dilemmas with integrity. This instillation of value in early age contributes to the development of responsible and morally upright individuals who will make positive contribution to society.